We present a Botany-Bot for digital twin monitoring of occluded and underleaf plant structures. Consider the plant as shown. Digital twins are very important for plant breeding, plant science, and agriculture, as they give us access to a range of plant details. Existing plant phenotyping systems can produce high-quality 3D reconstructions, yet commercial systems are expensive and require expensive multi-camera hardware. In addition, due to leaf occlusion, they cannot perceive many plant details. Botany-Bot uses 4 static cameras, 2 Z0 cameras, and a moving digital turntable inside a lightbox. Using an arrow marker on the turntable to calibrate camera to turntable poses for desired angles, and then taking images of a potted plant on the turntable while repeating the same angles allows us to create a quasi-multi-view capture of the plant. Here we see data collection in progress. We preprocess images taken by masking the plant using SAM2 and also implement an alpha loss, minimizing total rendered opacity. We use Garfield to generate 3D segments, including leaves. We also extract physical properties of height, number of leaves, and total leaf area. Better than traditional commercial systems, Botany-Bot allows arbitrary viewpoints based on deep learning, as seen in the original Neurons Radiance fields and 3D Gaussian Splatting papers. Here we see an example of the 3D model from Gaussian Splatting and segmentation from Garfield. Additionally, we use a 7 degree of freedom bimanual robot and a Z-mini camera to automatically lift the leaves detected from the 3D model, and a Logitech Brio camera to take high-resolution indexable images of occluded details such as the underside of leaves. We're able to extract leaf IDs and centers from the segmentation. We use the extracted IDs for robot interaction. We use our 3D model to plan robot actions for inspecting detected leaves, and use a custom ring shape tool for lifting or pushing down the leaves, and then use the Logitech Brio camera to get images showing more details, especially of previously occluded regions. Here we see an example of the turntable turning the leaf to align with the robot for leaf lifting. Here we see an example of the robot lifting the leaves. Here we see an example of the turntable turning the leaf to align with the robot for leaf pushing. Here we see an example of the robot pushing the leaf. We show images of the leaves before and after robot interaction. We combine results from previous steps into a single indexable model. We evaluate Botany-Bot on 8 real plants using a number of metrics. Results from experiments suggest that the plant can segment leaves with 90.8% accuracy, detect leaves with 86.2% accuracy, lift or push leaves with 77.9% accuracy, and take detailed underside or overside images with 77.3% accuracy. We note that we do not have access to a commercial phenotyping system as a baseline. We present Botany-Bot. This paper makes the following contributions: a new representation for high-fidelity 3D digital twin models for agricultural phenotyping, a low-cost system for autonomously achieving this new representation for 3D digital twin model that segments Gaussian splats into constituent parts, algorithm to a robot to autonomously manipulate leaves to capture additional high-resolution images of the occluded surfaces. Results from experiments suggesting the pipeline is useful for measuring physical properties of plant components like leaf area, as well as for autonomous inspection of leaf underside. Please see our website for more detail.